One of the values that Excel has used by default to represent the 3D chart is, somehow, the tilt, the angle from which I am looking at it. This can be easily controlled. It might also be that I don't find it entirely stylish or that I want to see it from another point of view. Here we have enabled in 3D charts what is the third turn. So just by selecting it, we see that we have a turn in each of the axes and we can give it perspective values, etc. It would be a case of playing with these values. And we see that simply by altering, in this case, from 5 or from 10 by 10 units, we see that we move through the different options. It is very difficult a priori to know which values are going to be the ones that I want, although in general what I will do will be to try in these cases different values and see when we obtain a value that I find aesthetically appealing. And this is when I close the operations window and leave it represented in this way. With a particular turn, a sharper angle, or ultimately in the end I am going to select the perspective that I like the most.